Hello everyone, today I will show you on how to fix the sound of your computer. Actually we encountered this when we upgraded our window to Windows 10. So I just found a fix today. Yeah, as you can see, there you go, there's the sound. First, you just need to type in the model of your computer. So the model of my computer, it's ASUS K52F sound driver. Okay, and then you just need to see on the Google the driverscape.com. That's what I am recommending you guys for the website, or for the best website to download drivers. Here you go, Dreamscape. Just click there, and then it will prompt you to their website or to their page, and on this website it will automatically check the model of your computer, or I mean the operating system. And then all you need to do is to scroll down and download the audio driver, which is this one, or maybe this one, any of the two, but I selected this and I click download and I just installed it, guys, and it works. There's the sound already on my computer. This will be a quick fix, so I hope your computer works, or if your computer works, just comment down below. Thank you guys.